Las Vegas. I think I'm gonna be there for a little bit over a week. So first off, I need to pack swimsuits because I'm literally in the pool 24/7 when I'm in Las Vegas. I'm packing 3 swimsuits. I might bring more, but look at this new swimsuit I just got today. Isn't it so cute? Also, I ended up being able to get my eyebrows threaded before I leave for Vegas, but here's all my slick back stuff. I'm definitely bringing this too. Next is makeup and skincare, but I still won't do my makeup in the morning tomorrow, so I'm not gonna pack the makeup yet, but just the skincare. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna pack my Pippa skincare. Not bring any perfume because last time I brought perfume to Vegas, it started stinking really bad, and I think it's because of the airplane or something, so I'm not bringing another. Actually, some of my makeup I am gonna pack because I have other mascaras and stuff that I can use in the morning. Also, I have multiple of these, so I can also pack those today. So guys, I'm really procrastinating picking out clothes because you know what? I have no idea what I want to wear. I just know I want these 2 denim shorts. I'm also gonna bring my navy blue hottie hots and my black hottie hots, but I am wearing them right now. Okay, so ignore how messy my background is, but yeah, time for shirts. Okay guys, so I found a few shirts that I know I for sure want to bring, like some fancier ones and then some just like oversized t-shirts. Okay guys, so I also want to be a little fancy someday, so I'm bringing these 3 really cute dresses. I'm putting together the outfits right now, and I think my plain outfit is actually gonna be these hottie hots with this cute little oversized t-shirt. I have 6 outfits and I need 7, so this is what we're working with so far. I think everything looks pretty cute. I'm gonna leave my makeup bag on my nightstand because I need to put some stuff in there in the morning. Let's hope I don't forget my retainer in the morning because that'd be really bad. Okay guys, so I have everything now. I pretty much just need to put everything into the packing cube. So if you got this from the video, comment down this travel emoji in the comments, and I love you so much. Bye.